In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Yahoo Mail account from the Yahoo homepage. Whether you're accessing your email for the first time today or you're setting things up on a new device, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can easily and securely access your Yahoo Mail inbox. So let's get started. First, you want to navigate to your preferred web browser and type in yahoo.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Yahoo homepage, which is the starting point for accessing all Yahoo services. On this page, you'll see a variety of current news stories and the familiar Yahoo logo. Peering to the upper right corner of the screen, you'll find the Sign In button. It's typically labeled as Sign In, and it's the gateway to accessing your Yahoo Mail account and other personalized Yahoo services. Click on that button. Once you've clicked on the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo ID or alternatively your email address. This is essentially the unique identifier that you chose when you first set up your Yahoo account. Type it into the provided field. Make sure there are no typos, as an incorrect ID will prevent you from moving to the next step. Upon entering your Yahoo ID or email address, you'll need to click Next. This action confirms your ID and you'll be directed to a new page where you're asked to input your password. Now, when entering your password, exercise caution, especially if you're in a public or shared space. Ensure that caps lock isn't active unless your password includes capital letters. Type your password carefully to avoid any incorrect entries. With your password securely entered, it's time to click on the Sign In button. Clicking this will submit your credentials to Yahoo for verification. Generally, if your ID and password are correct, you'll be logged into your Yahoo Mail account without a hitch and directed to your inbox, where you can view all your latest messages. However, if you're signing in from a new device, program, or geographical location, Yahoo might add another layer of security by asking you to verify your identity. This serves as a measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. They might send a verification code to your registered recovery, email, or phone number. If prompted, follow the instructions to enter the verification code to complete the sign-in process. And there you have it. You are now all set to explore your emails, reply to messages, and enjoy the full functionality of your Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for tuning into this step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Happy emailing!